My name's Caitlin Power and I'm a fashion designer. The theme for the event is from sunrise to sunset, and I took that in as from dawn till dusk. And I wanted to create an apron that has an art piece that transforms throughout the night and throughout the courses. So there's 5 courses, and I have a piece that is layered each course and changes color throughout the event. I was really inspired by the skyline and the changing skies in the prairies, so I wanted to bring that into the life and into the design of the apron. I want the servers and the chefs to be feeling confident, feeling powerful, and I think it's a cool, interesting piece that's changing, this art piece, so I want them to just think it's really cool and think that the prairies are cool. I'm proud to be Prairie because of the community and the support. The love.